Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are learning how to enable dark mode on Facebook on both mobile and PC. Let's start with the PC version. First, open Facebook on your desktop. Now, click on your profile icon on the right top corner. Here you will find the display and accessibility option. Click on it and you will find the dark mode here. You can simply turn it on or set it to automatically. On automatic mode, it will automatically adjust the display based on your device system settings. Now, the mobile version. In mobile phone, simply open the Facebook app. Click on the profile icon on the right top side. Scroll down a bit and tap on settings and privacy. Here you will find the dark mode option. Click on it. Here you can find three options: on, off and use system settings. You can simply turn it on or use the system settings. It will adjust your appearance based on your device's system settings. It's very simple. So that wraps up our today's video. If you like this video or if it was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.